Welcome back. You're watching The Money Show, and let's begin with our viewer query section. I have with me Gautam Kalia, who is live and answering your financial portfolio queries. And also, let's connect with our first viewer. We will take Mr. Pranav's question. I think we have him on the phone line. Pranav? All right, so this is an email question, and Gautam, I think you have his portfolio with you, and his target is 5 CR in 25 years. He's 35 years old, and he doesn't want to invest in ELSS fund. You have the fund names, and he can contribute 50,000 per month. Okay, so what's the solution for his portfolio and for his query? How is the fund mix, Gautam?
Yeah. Pranav, basically you want to start, say for 50,000 rupees a month. You already have investment corpus. You require a total SIP of about 26,700 to your additional corpus to create 5 crores in the next 25 years, assuming a growth rate of 12%. So you should continue your SIP of 50 because that's more than the required ask, and it will help you create more wealth. So if I look at your funds, I see that you'll have to make a few changes because the large cap allocation in your portfolio is very low. And you also mentioned that you're not very interested in putting too much money in ELSS. In fact, you want to reduce that exposure. So, what I'll suggest you do, ELSS obviously comes with a lock-in. I'm not sure whether you're post the lock-in, but as in when you are free of the lock-in, then please remove these. So you should continue with most funds. DSP small cap, you've got about 5,58,000. That amount you should shift to the existing investment that you have with in ICICI Prudential Blue Chip. That will increase your blue chip exposure. In fact, you should also move Nippon India ELSS tax saver fund of 5,48,000 to blue chip. Then we look at your Motilal Oswal Flexi Cap. We prefer Kotak Flexi Cap, so that is a fund that you can add to your portfolio. And Access ELSS Tax Saver Fund, you can move that to the large and mid cap scheme of HDFC Large and Mid Cap Fund. So that way you'll be able to reduce your ELSS exposure as well. As far as the new SIP is concerned, ICICI Prudential Blue Chip, out of the 50,000, you can put in 15,000 there. HDFC Large and Mid Cap that you'll be adding these amounts to, you can add another 5,000 a month there. Motilal Oswal Mid Cap, you continue with that investment and you in fact add a 6,500 rupee SIP there. You continue with your Nippon India Small Cap and Bandhan Flexi Cap Fund, and there also you add in SIP, so 6,000 in Nippon, 8,500 in Bandhan Flexi Cap, and finally the Motilal Oswal Flexi Cap, you can add 9,000 a month there. So that money that you're going to put in, actually put that in the Kotak Flexi Cap Fund.
Let's move to our next question from Mr. Prince, and he's been investing in mutual fund through SIP since 2017. He's got SIP done in Mira Asset Large Cap, Navi Index Fund. He's got HDFC Mid Cap Fund, Nippon Small Cap, Parag Parikh Flexi Cap, SBI Large and Mid Cap. Current portfolio value is almost around 30 lakhs, and he always steps up his SIP as and when possible, Gautam. And he wants you to analyze the fund mix and if at all any change is needed. And Mira Asset Fund, according to him, is not doing well for him. So he wants to step up his SIP by 6,000 per month, and in which fund he should be doing that. So far, the goal is only wealth creation, which I believe is a long-term goal for him.
Yes. So for Prince, what I'd say is that he's got an existing SIP of 30,000 per month, and he wants to increase this by 6,000. So if I look at his portfolio, again, Nippon Small Cap Fund has a little bit too much exposure. So I would say reduce the amount there by only 1,000 rupees and shift that to Navi Nifty 50 Index Fund, because we want to boost your large cap allocation. Again, the overall large cap allocation is on the lower side. So that's how you boost that. And then you can add the 6,000 by adding a 1,500 rupee new SIP in Mere Asset Large Cap. We believe it's a good fund, so you should continue there, and add 4,500, which is the bulk of the additional money, into Parag Parik Flexi Cap Fund, which you already have an existing SIP of. So that will round out your allocation to about 35% in the Flexi Cap category, which is good.
With that, it's a wrap on the show today. Thank you so much, Gautam, for being on the show and helping our viewers sort out their financial portfolio queries. And for all our viewers, I'm going to leave you with our WhatsApp number and email ID just in case you want to get your life financial planning done. Do send across your questions and we will get it answered by our experts live. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.